Don't give up. You may be inspiring someone that you have no idea that's watching your content. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So I was laying in my bed thinking about my YouTube channel, my followers' YouTube channel, just thinking about YouTube in general. How a lot of us are getting fed up. A lot of us are wanting to quit. But guess what? We can't quit, because guess what? You may be inspiring someone that you have no idea that you're inspiring. Just because people don't comment under your videos or interact with your videos doesn't mean they aren't getting the message. Doesn't mean that your message isn't getting to them. Doesn't mean that they don't need the message. It's directly for them. Some people like to be in the bushes and observe, and there's nothing wrong with that. Take me, for instance. Sometimes I say, you know what, this YouTube thing isn't working for me. So I was like, I might start me a new YouTube channel. It's not the YouTube channel that's the problem. It's not even the niche that's the problem. It's me. I need to be more focused, more consistent, and find ways to work my channel. My channel is an information channel. So people come and go. It's like a revolving door. They come and go. I don't have a channel like vlogs or cooking where people constantly come back for the entire video. I understand what my content is about. I understand my role on this platform. But I would like to expand and do more. But until then, I'm going to continue to teach how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on Facebook. I'm going to tell you what I think the issue with a lot of content creators is. We look at other content creators and we want their situation. Your time will come, guys, but we need to take our mind off the money. We have to put the money to the side for right now. We need to really figure out if this is something that we want to do and how we want to do it. If you want to do YouTube for the long haul, you have to have a plan, okay? You can't just get on here and wing it every day. That's not going to work, myself included. I'm not saying I get on here and I wing it, but I need to put more thought and more effort into, okay, I'm speaking on this information. What can I do to make it fun? What can I do to bring my watch time up? What can I do? What can I do? That's what I'm working on right now. But you have to take the revenue out of your mind, okay? This is what's aggravating you. This is what's getting you so frustrated. You're thinking about the money. Take the money out of the equation right now. Take the money out of your mind and focus on you and your channel and what you really want to do. Okay, I know views is a big thing. We want the views. The views bring the money. The views bring the subscribers. But you need to focus on what do you need to do or what do you need to change in order to get those views. Because without those views, there is no revenue. So we're not to the revenue yet. Let's take the revenue and put it to the side. Because what we really need to be doing is saying, okay, I want the money, that's for sure. But I need the views. What can I do to get the views? And then you need to ask yourself, when I post content, which videos get the most views, the most engagement, the most subscribers? That's the type of content you need to start with. But guys, I know I'm going to say this a million times today in this video. Take the revenue out of your mind. It will drive you crazy, okay? Get it out of your mind, because we're not there yet. We need to learn how to get subscribers and views, okay, in order to get the money. But we need to reel the people in. What do you need to do to reel your audience in and keep them engaged and keep them coming back for more? Everybody want to think about the money, but you have to know how to get the money. And how you get the money is by brainstorming and seeing what you need to do, because you need an audience. That's how you get the money. The money will come. The money is there. YouTube is loaded with money. But you have to know how to get the money from YouTube. And if you're so focused on the money, you're never going to get it, because you're so focused on the money. Focus on your channel. Focus on you. And I know a lot of y'all say, you know what, this stuff isn't for me. It's luck. It's the lottery. And that may be the case. I will agree. I feel like that sometimes. I feel like it's like winning the lottery over here. My views are good. My money is decent. But What can I do? If I really want this, if you really, really want something, you can change the way it is. You could change the future of it if you really want it, and it's changeable. It's changeable. We see it every day. We definitely can change things. A lot of content creators started where we are now, but they're big time because they thought about it. You have to put the money aside. And then you can't get on here and say you want to give up, because why would you give up? If you were going to give up, why would you even create a channel? Why would you create videos? Why would you brainstorm? Why would you drive yourself crazy about making the money only to give up? That makes no sense. So don't give up. I don't care if you get 5 views. Out of those 5 people, you're going to touch somebody. And as far as you know, that same somebody is showing up every time for every video that you have. They're supporting you and they're inspired by you. And they may look forward to seeing your content when you post. So why give up? We teach our children never to give up. Brainstorm, sit down, think about what you did. Think about what you can change. So what make it different with us? We're the one telling our kids how they can problem solve, but we're not using it for ourselves because we're worrying about the money. You're worrying about what somebody else has on this platform. Everybody's journey is different. Everybody's situation is different, guys. So keep going, keep doing what you're doing. I see a lot of small content creators down in my comments saying, let's gather together. Let's collab. No one collabs together. Everyone is putting it in the comments. Make it happen. That may be the one break you need. Maybe your audience is on another person's channel and vice versa. Try it out. If someone say, I like your content, we do the same type of content, let's collab. Collab. All it takes is you getting on the live stream together and collabing and having a great time. She's meeting your audience, or he vice versa. You're meeting each other audiences and you're getting together. Make it work, guys. Let's say that you collab with someone and y'all do the same type of content, but you may do your content a little bit different than the person you collabing with. So their audience can say, oh, okay, so I love your content. I'm going to continue to watch you, but I may come over here and check this person out. I like the way they do this over here. This is cool. I never thought about that. Like I'm telling y'all, I always see in my comments, let's gather, let's collab. Nobody is collabing. Try that out. Try collabing. Try something different. If what you're doing isn't working, try something else. And that goes for sin too, y'all. When I tell you, you know, this is off the record, off the camera. I literally get on my husband's nerve about how can I grow my channel. When I tell you this man knows a lot of YouTube creators because of me, he knows a lot. You know, I'm like every night, what can I do to grow my channel? What can I do? Should I do this? Should I do that? And he's right there telling me what he think. He's telling me to do certain things. I'm like, no, I can't do that because my audience will be like, what's going on with Sin? Let me tell y'all something that I know it's about y'all. If I get upset and I stop acting like this, y'all don't like that for me. So I'm not going to do that with y'all. Y'all don't like when Sin act a little different. So I'm going to make sure, yeah, I'm going to be a good girl. I'm going to be a good girl. But on a serious tip, guys, don't give up. I know it's hard, guys. What you have to remember is everyone on this platform started at 0. Everyone decided, let me make a YouTube channel with 0 subscribers, 0 followers, no name, just blank. Everyone started from 0. Yes, some channels pop off quicker than others. And yes, the niche has a lot to do with it. I'm just being honest. Like gaming channels pop off quick. Cooking, makeup, hair, you know. But my type of channel takes years, okay? I've done research. I've seen who the top creator is, and they don't get that many views. So, you know, it is what it is over here. I don't get on here. I mean, I do like the money. No, don't get me wrong now. Seeing like the money, but I really get on here to help other creators grow. Even though my numbers are low, seeing is the go, okay? Sin is the GOAT. But yeah, I was just laying in my bed and I was like, you know what? A lot of people are getting discouraged. But if you thought you were going to fail, you would have never tried it. Yes, some people make it look easy, and it is easy for some people, but that's their journey. Do not base yourself off their journey, okay? Your channel is your channel name for a reason, and their channel is what theirs is for a reason, because that's the reason. That's their channel. This is you. You're not them. They're not you. Your journey is different. Sometimes when it takes longer to grow, it's better. It makes you want to continue because you know where you came from, and you love your growth. You love the growth. So keep going. Don't give up. Sin got your back. If you have any questions, y'all know y'all can put it in the comments, and you can also DM me. I'm a little bit behind on my DMs, but I'm going in order. Well, hold on. I'm going in order until I see my day ones, and then I'm going to click on them first. It's only fair. It's only right, okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out. Now, don't give up on those channels and keep posting. Your time is coming.